Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read a letter to your friend requesting him to lend you some books. Let's get started. First write examination hall, then write the name of city and date. Dear Imran, hope this letter finds you well. I hope you are doing great and enjoying some good reads. I know you have an amazing collection. Would you lend me a few books for a while? I am particularly interested in Harry Potter. I promise to take good care of them and return them to you as soon as I am one reading them. Your recommendations would also be greatly appreciated. I value your taste in books and would love to hear about what you have enjoyed reading recently. Thanks in advance for considering my request. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Yours truly, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.